helping this truck driver back up. He came in the wrong entrance. He came to the employee entrance. He's supposed to go over there, over that way, and he's in the wrong entrance. Wait. Oh my God, he took the sign. Yo, watch this, watch. Yo, watch this, watch that. Watch that on the floor. It's gonna pop your tire. Right here. Go forward. Good job. Wait, bro. No, listen. Yeah, whatever. Go this way. Alright, go this way. Alright, go this way. Yeah, you see the other truck right there? That's where you're supposed to go. Yeah, whatever, right there. You see where the white truck coming out? The white truck. Yeah, it's right over there. So you go around, right? All right, man. Have a good one.